After I graduated high school and I started getting into the world of making money, I was still DJing and DJing for other people, but I got myself a few jobs that promised that I would make lots of money, and those were sales jobs. Hi, I'm Bill. This is Creative License, and thanks again for being a part of my little dog and pony show. I appreciate it. Thanks again to my sponsors, Electro Voice and Promo Only, DJ Event Planner, Perfect Portals, Disc Jockey News, and of course, the Entertainment Experience. Sales is a thing that I hated. I don't know about you, but when I talk to other entrepreneurs and they talk about their business that they're passionate about, their thing that they do that they're passionate about, they go, if it wasn't for all the sales, I'd be a lot happier. God, I love doing what I do, but I hate the sales. I get that. I really do. And mostly because I felt the same exact way. I sold a lot of stuff. Back in the day, I sold satellite dishes. I sold baby furniture and car seats for children. And, anything that sounded like I was going to get a lot of big commissions. Radio sales, television sales. I hated every minute of it. All I thought about was I got people in front of me that can't afford to spend money on a thing that I have. And for me to be successful, I've got to sell them on something they can't afford and that they don't want, so I can make a good enough commission to be able to just pay my car payment or my rent or my mortgage. It seemed like such an ugly thing, trying to convince people to do something that they don't really want to do and they can't really afford. Well, the truth of it is, that's one way to go. A lot of the most successful salespeople I ever met were kind of disgusting. That's how I saw them. And so I wasn't successful at all. Because I was always worried about my income. Well, when things turned around for me, it was because I finally started looking at it for them and not for me. I mean, it sounds gross to say you're only doing it for yourself, but it's not. I mean, you're trying to make a living, for goodness sakes. And your outcome is your income, right? But if you're only thinking about the income you're going to make, then you start feeling that way about yourself. And there was a great sales guy, there is a great sales guy by the name of Jeffrey Ginniver that said it in a much better way. Don't think about your income. Think about their outcome, right? I mean, if somebody comes to you to have you DJ their party, they want something from you. They're willing to pay for it. They are. They're looking to spend money for you. They don't really even have an idea how much that's going to cost, but they want you to do a thing for them. Their outcome being usually someone who's going to lead the evening to the best outcome possible. A great party, romantic feelings, whatever that is. They want from you that you do that. So if you can look at that way, then you're creating a service, an actual service for these people. You're not just trying to take their money and then showing up and doing what you want. You are actually creating a service for them, which is their outcome, right? And I'm telling you right now, if you are in front of a person that knows for a fact that you're going to do anything you can do to give them the outcome they want, they will give you any amount of money you ask. Now, you ask for a lot of money, they might say, well, God, I really want that. I might be able to get that from somebody else cheaper, and they might keep looking. Might. Okay, the amount of people that will do that is small unless you have not convinced them that you are in it for them and not for you. People don't like that, okay? You're in it for your income as opposed to their outcome. When I started to do that, my favorite part, or my second favorite part, I really still like being on stage, but my second favorite part is sitting across from somebody and making sure they understand that I've got them, that I care about them, that I'm going to do whatever it takes to make sure their outcome is what they get. Not mine, not the kind of party I want to have, not the kind of money I want to make. It's that their day will be amazing. And when they understand that, they'll give me whatever I want. Another great sales coach once told me, if you get them, they will do anything it takes to get you. So think about it. If we're going to leave it with anything, let's leave it with Jeffrey Gitomer again. Okay? Don't think of your income. Think of their outcome. And you should be successful every time. I'm Bill. This is Creative License, and I will see you next week.